Dear students, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have discussed the meaning of depreciation, section 32, the meaning of
block of assets, actual cost of assets, and written down value. Through this video, let us try to understand
the rate of depreciation, which is applicable for the computation of depreciation allowances while computing the business income as per the Income Tax Act 1961. This rate of depreciation, which is in force with effect from 1st April 2017. So as we discussed the types of asset, that is tangible asset as well as intangible asset, all the intangible assets having only one rate of depreciation, that is 25%. But in the case of tangible assets, it is again classified into building, plant, machinery and furniture. Now, let us see what is the rate of depreciation for building. In the building category, there are three rates of depreciation. So the first one is building which are used mainly for residential purposes except for hotels and boarding houses. Rate of depreciation is 5%. Second, building other than those used mainly for residential purposes and not covered in 1 and 3 points, it is 10% rate of depreciation. And the third one is buildings acquired after 31st August 2002 for installing machinery and plant forming part of water supply project or water treatment system, and which is put to use for the purpose of business of providing infrastructure facilities. The rate of depreciation is 40%. Similarly, the fourth type of building is purely temporary erections such as wooden structures. It is 40%. Now the definition of building, which includes roads, bridges, culverts, wells as well as tube wells. A building shall be deemed to be building used mainly for residential purposes if the built up floor area thereof used for the residential purpose is not less than 66 2/3 percentage of its total built up area. Then the rate of depreciation for furniture and fittings. It is furniture fittings including electrical fittings which includes wirings, switches, sockets or other fittings and fans, etc. The rate of depreciation is 10%. Machinery and plant. It can be classified into two categories, which is having a general rate of 15% applicable to all machinery or plant other than certain machines and plants, and the category B is with special rates that spans from 15% to 40%, which is depending on the types and nature of the assets. Machinery or plants with the 15 to 40% depreciation, that is with the special rate. 1. Motor cars other than those used in a business of running them on hire, acquired during the period from 23rd August 2019 to 31st March 2020 and put to use on or before 31st March 2020 with effect from assessment year 2021, 30% rate of depreciation. Motor buses, motor lorries and motor taxis used in a business of running them on hire, acquired during the period 23rd August 2019 to 31st March 2020 and put to use on or before 31st March 2020 with effect from the assessment year 2020-21. The rate of depreciation is 45%. Third is aeroplanes and aero engines. The rate of depreciation is 40%. Motor cars other than those used in a business of running them on hire, acquired or put to use on or after 1st April 1990 but before 23rd August 2019, it is 15%, and acquired on or after 23rd August 2019 but before 1st April 2020 and put to use before 1st April 2020, the rate of depreciation is 30%. But the energy saving devices, the rate of depreciation is 40%. Next is life saving medical equipments, 40% rate of depreciation. Machinery relating to environmental protection and pollution control, 40% depreciation. Books for professional purposes, books being annual publication, it is 40%, and other books also 40%. Books owned by assessee carrying on business in running lending libraries, it is 40%. Containers made of glass or plastic used in refills, 40%. Computers including computer software, it is 40%. Plant machinery used in weaving, processing and garment sector of textile industry, which is purchased under Technology Upgradation Fund scheme after 31st March 2001 but before 1st April 2004 and put to use before 1st April 2004, the rate of depreciation is 40%. Plant and machinery acquired and installed after 31st August 2002 in a water supply project or a water treatment system which is put to use for the purpose of business of providing infrastructure facility, rate of depreciation is 40%. Renewable energy devices such as solar water heaters, solar cookers, windmills, pumps running on wind energy, biogas plants, etc. The rate of depreciation is 40%. The next is ships. If it is ocean going ships, then rate of depreciation is 20%. If the vessels are ordinary operating in inland water and not being speedboats, then it is 20%. Vessels ordinarily operating in inland water being speedboats, that is also 20%. Speedboats means a motorboat driven by a high speed internal combustion engine capable of propelling the boat at a speed exceeding 24 km per hour in still water.
As I have told you,
the rate of depreciation for intangible assets such as know-how, patent, copyright, trademarks, licenses, franchises, or any other business or commercial rights of similar nature with effect from assessment year 1999-2000, the rate of depreciation under written down value method is 25%. Special provision of depreciation for commercial vehicles with effect from 1st April 2017. Commercial vehicles which is acquired by the assessee on or after 1st October 1998 but before 1st April 1999 and is put to use for any period before 1st April 1999 for the purpose of business or profession, depreciation shall be allowed at 40% even if it is used for less than 180 days during the previous year. If a new commercial vehicle which is acquired by the assessee on or after 1st October 1998 but before 1st April 1999 in replacement of the condemned vehicle of over 15 years of age and is put to use for any period before 1st April 1999 for the purpose of business or profession, depreciation shall be allowed at 40% even if it is used for less than 180 days during the previous year. Third point is new commercial vehicles which is acquired by the assessee on or after 1st April 1999 but before 1st April 2000 in replacement of condemned vehicle of over 15 years of age and is put to use for any period before 1st April 2000 for the purpose of business or profession, depreciation shall be allowed at 40%. However, if it is used for less than 180 days during the previous year, the depreciation shall be restricted to 50% of the 40%. Next is new commercial vehicles which is acquired by the assessee after 31st March 2001 but before 1st April 2002 and is put to use for the period before 1st April 2002 for the purpose of business or profession, depreciation shall be allowed at 40%. The next point, that is the fifth one, new commercial vehicles which is acquired by the SSA after 31st December 2008 but before 1st October 2009 and is put to use for any period before 1st October 2009 for the purpose of business or profession, the depreciation shall be allowed at 40%. Here the commercial vehicles means heavy goods vehicles, heavy passenger motor vehicles, light motor vehicles, medium goods vehicles and medium passenger motor vehicle, but it does not include maxi cab, motor cab, tractor and road rollers. Hope you understood the rate of depreciation applicable under a written down value method for the computation of depreciation allowances through this video, and the special provision for commercial vehicles also discussed. Hope it is clear. If this is useful, kindly share it with your friends and others in your contact, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please make it. You please leave your comment and your feedback in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Kindly enable the bell icon to get the notification whenever the video is uploaded. Thank you very much for watching my channel, Doctor's Academy for Taxation and Accounting.